everyone, Ricardo here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how directional comparison blocking, commonly known as DCB schemes, work. Now this is a type of what we call pilot scheme, which means a protection scheme where two ends of a transmission line communicate with each other to declare a high-speed trip for faults inside of the transmission line. Now to do this, we implement overreaching elements, that is, protection elements that can see faults beyond the end of the transmission line. This way, each end of the transmission line can see faults in the forward direction. Now, because these elements can see faults that are beyond the end of the transmission line, in a DCB scheme, we also implement a reverse-looking element that can send a blocking signal to the remote end if it sees a reverse fault. Now, that's the main difference between a permissive scheme, such as the POTT scheme, and a blocking scheme, such as the DCB scheme. In other words, in a permissive scheme, such as the POTT scheme, a relay will trip once it gets permission from another relay, while in a blocking scheme, such as the DCB scheme, the relay will go ahead and trip unless it gets blocked by another relay. So that's the key distinction between a permissive scheme and a blocking scheme, again, such as the POTT scheme and a DCB scheme, which are two types of pilot schemes for transmission line protection.